All right, so that was fucking awkward because I didn't know whether I was recording or not because this cameraman, I don't even know what you want to call him. Nimrod, whatever. Anyway, today's Monday. I wanted to start my Mondays every month with what's called METRA Mondays. It's a Monday. I have METRA stuff. We're going to unbox it. We're going to show you all the stuff that METRA wants you to see. The cool, sometimes some new stuff, some not. So the first thing is in this box. Luckily, my guys didn't open it before I opened it. Let's see. So we're gonna take a look at what it is together. Whatever's in this box, we're taking a look at it together. Together. Oh, it's a bunch of stuff. It's a bunch of stuff. Sure. All right. So the first thing we have is these speaker baffles. But these I have been using for quite some time already. And I will show you what they are right now. And this is a single kit. This is a single kit. So this kit comes with 2 of these silicone baffles. Okay. And I've never seen, these are like 8-inch baffles. Jesus Louise. Yeah, these are 8-inch baffles. Okay, so this is a kind of a surprise to me too. This is an 8-inch baffle, and it's really cool. The reason I like these, and we use these specifically in our S2000 packages, is when you get the height right between the door and the door panel, you will have kind of this seal that goes around the speaker that allows all of the sound that's playing from the actual driver itself to be focused into the actual cabin of the car. Super duper cool, something that other people have done. I like this solution better. It also has another feature, mind you, let's call it another feature, that most times here at Absolute Electronics we don't use. And that is this kind of weather protector. What it does is when you put the driver into, or the baffle into the door, and then you put your speaker in, the magnet itself will hang out in this area. So all the wet, nasty crap that comes into the car itself will roll off from the back sides of this baffle. I also think it would make a pretty cool hat.
I ain't blinking over here.
Right. All right. So the other part of this kit is the diffuser, or let's see, what do they call it? I don't think it's called a diffuser. What do they call it? The egg foam. This egg foam, which is designed to go behind the driver. I had a fucking razor blade and I lost it. All right. Oh, let me just get my He-Man out. For those of you who don't know, He-Man is an 80s cartoon character. He was white with blonde hair, a la Hulk Hogan. Anyway, so this baffle is designed to stick onto the actual door panel itself, the door skin itself, where the driver is behind it, and then this piece will go in the front. This is designed to break up reflections and all that stuff. The jury's still out if this kind of stuff works or not. But if it does, you have it. If it doesn't, you have it. So what? Like, just use it. Just use it. Anyway, all right. So we got another set. This is a 6.5-inch set of those same inch baffles. I don't think I need to open it, but let's go on. Let's go on. Let's gonna go further. Let's see what we got. Oh, we have 6x9 baffles. These are pretty interesting. Yeah, you could have used that on this car earlier today. My unboxing skills. If I had done this earlier today, then guess what would have happened? We would have used this one first. So, same thing as the other ones, but this one has that unique 6x9 form factor for the area there. Super duper cool. I like this hat better, I think. I think I like this better. It fits my head a little. I think that fits better. What do you, that fits better, right?
What does he look like? Somebody from Willy Wonka?
Willy Wonka?
I don't know.
All right. Oh, okay. They're getting fancy with us right now. This says roller on it, and the reason I know what it is because of the next product they have sent us for this very, very fun-filled METRA Monday. Wait.
That was dynamite.
All right, so this is Ballistic. This is the sound treatment from Metra, and they also comes with this handy dandy roller. Now, this roller is super. Oh, look at that! Just loosened up real good. So it's kind of a heavy duty roller with some, which looks like little teeth on it. Little teeth. So we're gonna open it. We're not opening it. I gotta get my He-Man out again. Oh shit. No.
Why he's doing that?
All right. No one cares about the engine. All right. So this is our Metra mat. Okay. This Ballistic has a butyl layer, an aluminum layer, and it also has a foam layer. Now this is cool. What you can do with this is we're gonna dynamite something.
I was like, don't waste it.
Put it right here. No. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So it will actually, you can actually put it on, and then that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to show them how the roller works. So then we can roll it on, like so. I'm not going to do the whole thing because I think my guys are going to rip this off very quickly and use it for one of their own cars. Yeah. So it's got super good. There you go, Mikey.
I will take that. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
It's got super good adhesion, and it's going to actually work really well for a door panel. And this stuff is heavy, so it's not a. Let's go through some specs. Let's go through some specs. All right. So it's got 8.18 inch thickness, which is 1/18 of an inch thickness. 1/12 of foam, coil, and butyl. And it's got a wide temperature range, so it's not going to melt and be all up in your dash or you're dripping down your door panel and stuff like that. We've heard of stuff like that before, right?
Oh no!
All right. Now we got the big boy. This is going to be the Ballistic Bulk Kit, and it's going to give you a whole lot of sound treatment. Look at that. Let's open one of them. Let's open one of. Hey, don't go anywhere. You're going to need to take this back there with you. So, oh, this has heavy foil, like lots and lots of foil. The foil is
keeping your pants.
And bronze. So, as you can see, we have a good amount of butyl. The foil is just like other brands of stuff that we know, and it's not cutting me. Look at that. I'm actually applying pressure. Oh, look, I'm applying pressure. Look. See?
Nothing but ash.
All right.
Yeah, the beginning was
All right, so here. Gotcha.
got it.
Again, something that you can use with phone. Here, catch that.
Solid.
And finally, this is the thing. I know what's in here. I know exactly what's in here, and I am so excited about this. I am excited for this because it is something that we've had here before, and I did not keep using. And that is completely my fault because during the pandemic, we got all crazy busy, and I forgot about this. But this is a really cool product that Metra's done, and guess what? It's kind of an exclusive. It's kind of something only they have. The sound deadening stuff, that's all everybody has kind of. This is really cool. And this is the best way to say it is a sound deadening quilt. And what it is this really light kind of padded quilt looking
thing. That's nice.
Right? And what this is for is to stop rattles and stuff happening in the door from the door panel. So what you can do is you can give me a door panel. This door panel.
BMW.
Upstairs.
That's fun.
That's far. That's far.
I just ripped it.
You can apply this to the back of the door panel, kind of in the big. I would do in kind of the bigger areas, right? And then apply it on the other part of the door, so it would give it positive pressure, so that when you apply the door panel, when you install the door panel back on the car. Do I still have this fucking thing in my head? When you apply the door panel back on the car, there we go. Just as an example, this doesn't really have, but you would apply this kind of in this flat area, or maybe in this area here, and you would apply some here, and then some on the other side. Let's see if I can do this, and it will compress and give pressure against the door panel on this. So any rattles that you would normally have things, when you would like kind of press on the door panel or something like that, this would help alleviate those rattles. So, with that being said, again, more products from Metra. One that I truly adore. The other ones, we all knew about those. That's the 6x9. The 6x9 baffles are kind of a surprise to me. Really super cool. And keep watching my YouTube channel, the MES family, and the Metra dealers page, and all the other places where I post crap. Instagram. I don't know where else I do. Whatever. Facebook, yeah, Facebook, my Facebook page, to check out more METRA Mondays. So this is what we did for this month. Hopefully we get another batch of things to do for next month. But for now, that's it. Bye!